Good morning. It's day 2 here in Cancun. My roommate still hasn't made it. He's trapped in Dallas in an ice storm. Day 2 of being basically living at the airport. Hopefully he'll be able to catch a flight at noon today and be here. Maybe we'll have an early dinner together. Meanwhile, I gotta go find some coffee. Find me a coffee shop. I've got some coaching calls. I've got some computer work, and I've got some videos to make. So it's a full day, and I'm ready to get to it. I slept good last night. These beds were surprisingly comfortable. They're super simple, but really comfortable. And temperature was great. Put earplugs in. Didn't hear a thing. Hostel was quiet. It's great. So now I just need coffee, and I'll be right as rain.
All right, in Cancun. I am excited.
It's good to have you here.
Oh my gosh, what a travel adventure.
Did you see my post about Dennis Does Dallas?
Oh, I didn't see Dennis. I did see your video you posted, though, about being here.
We are about to do tacos and cervezas.
Yeah. It's been a year since I've had a beer with you, my friend.
I just want you to know I've been around this whole block, and until you got here, I didn't see one sex shop.
And we found 2 in, what, less than a minute? It's a gift, folks. It's a gift.
All right, there's day 2 of here in Cancun. I am working on this video right now that you're watching, getting ready to put it out. And just a fantastic day. Got plenty of rest last night, found a great coffee shop this morning, worked there almost all day, did coaching calls, worked on my book, The Happy Man's Secret Owner's Manual. More on that to come soon. And got an opportunity to hang out and have dinner with my friend. with my buddy, with my pal, my adventure partner. We have been a lot of places together, and it's been a blast, been fun every time. If you don't have a dude, if you don't have a guy, if you don't have men in your life that you can do things with, hang out with, have experiences with, go places with, I highly recommend it. Find a guy in your area. Find some groups in your area. Go to meetup.com and try to find some places where you can connect. And also, go to happymancoaching.com/community and check out the community that we have there. We would love to have you in the community. We'd love to have you on some of these trips, on some of these retreats to different places, pushing your comfort zone. We're going to call tomorrow morning, Saturday morning, every Saturday morning we have calls, and I'm going to have a coaching call after that, and then we're going to go explore Cancun some more. So be sure to stay tuned for more videos. If you haven't subscribed already, consider doing that. And thanks for being here, and I'll talk to you later.